Hello, I'm back, and I've got a few more lots to show you. These are lots of individual items in most cases, so I'm going to go kind of quick with the lot numbers. If you're interested, it's going to be the price I tell you for each lot plus actual shipping. I will put on the label when I ship it the actual cost so you can see I did not add any more to it. Also, it's friends and family, but since I'm new, if you do not feel comfortable with friends and family, I will be happy to do an invoice, and I will eat the cost until y'all get to know me a little better for right now. So if you don't feel comfortable, I'll do an invoice. If you're interested in a lot, please put your email below with your zip code. If you give me your zip code, then I can calculate the shipping cost and let you know the total price. These lots, most of them I only have one of. So when they're gone, they're gone. Actually, I got my numbers back. Excuse me again, y'all. I have sinus problems and they cut the grass today, so my sniffles are pretty bad, and I apologize for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you PayPal US only. I haven't figured out international shipping yet, so bear with me. I will try to learn that, and bear with me on my light situation. I'm trying to figure that out too. If something doesn't look right or you'd like to see it up close, I'll be happy to send you a picture if you would like. And also, I didn't mention in the other Destash video I just finished that I do have multiples of a lot of things, unless I tell you I only have one. And if, like in the previous Destash where everything was in one lot, if you are interested in just one thing, if you want to send me a message and let me know what it is, I might have some of that I can just sell you by itself. I'm trying to clean out a craft room, and I have a whole upstairs craft room, which is 2 gigantic rooms in an old house that was built in 1921, so that should tell you how big the rooms are. So I'm trying to clean it out so I can get it organized and start getting in some new inventory. I want to get in the new Santa Baby from Prima. I'm trying to get room and stuff done so I can order from Prima and get some new stuff in. Anyway, let's go ahead and show you what I got right now. This is going to be lot number 2. It is the Cricut storage container for your cartridges and the books. It has the place for your cartridges here, a place for your books here. You can put your tools in the front here. I know it's hard to see because, let me see if I can move the camera up a little bit and give you a little bit better view because it's pretty big. There we go. I think you can see it pretty good now. But anyway, you've probably seen them before. These actually sell on Amazon and eBay for up to $12. This one is going to be $8 plus shipping, lot number 2. If you're interested, leave your email and zip code below so I can calculate shipping for you. Lot number 3 is another Cricut storage binder holder. It is the book and the it's new. Everything is new. Never been used. This is the binder. Holds 15 cartridges and books. These expand out so you can keep your books in there and maybe even stick a tool or two in there. These are actually, oops, sorry. I'm learning still. These are actually $25 on Amazon, was the cheapest one I can find. This one I'm going to sell for $22 plus shipping, whatever actual shipping is. It still has the tags and everything, brand new. that? That was lot number 3. The black book was lot number 3, $22. Lot number 4 is 2 cutting pads. These are the 6x12 cutting pads. It's 2 in a pack, brand new, never been used. $8.50 plus actual shipping. If you're interested, leave your name and zip code in the comments below. Lot number 5 is the tool set with the scraper and the spatula for Cricut. These are all brand name, brand new, still in the package like they come. This is $5 plus, or $7, lot number 5, $7 plus shipping. It's the scraper and the spatula. Lot number 6 is a Project Life Becky Higgins Chipbord Album 6 by 8 inches. $8 plus shipping. They sell for a lot somewhere. It's still brand new, got the cardboard shrink wrap, hasn't been opened. And the last thing is lot number 7. It is a chipboard, 8x8 chipboard album, Bazzill Basics paper, lickety slip, 8x8. Lot number 7, $6.50 plus shipping, actual shipping. If you're interested, it's brand new, still shrink wrapped, got the cardboard in the end. If you're interested, please leave your name and email in the bottom. Again, it's PayPal only, US only. Friends and family, if you feel comfortable. If not, we'll do an invoice until everyone gets to know me. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And like I said, now the big plastic storage binder, lot number 2, I have 2 of these. The black book I only have 1 of. I only have 1 set of the mats, 1 set of these. I only have 1 of these. But I have 3 of these chipboard books, $6.50 plus shipping. And I have 2 of these Becky Higgins Project Life books. I have 2 of these. So, again, if you're interested, leave your comment below with your name and your zip code. I will combine shipping if you want more than 1 item. Thank you for looking. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like. I'm trying to get a good audience, y'all. Help me out. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good day.